Valentine's Day is coming up. I've been struggling to figure out what to get the men in my life. I don't know about you, but shopping for them is a headache. Please stay tuned for this 3-part series where I walk you through 3 different gift ideas ranging anywhere from $1 to $30.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, you need a Cricut, you need a Dollar Tree beer mug, along with cardstock colors of your choice to make this adorable dog-themed card to match the mug. You also need permanent vinyl, along with a Cricut cutting mat, preferably light or standard grip, clear transfer tape, masking tape and Armoretch if you choose to etch the glass, along with safety glasses and gloves. You also will need alcohol wipe to clean it, a paper towel, a paintbrush, a scraper, and I also used an embossing tool to cure the permanent vinyl onto my glass. These gift ideas would also make an excellent birthday and Father's Day gift. Prior to applying the vinyl to your mug, you must clean with alcohol first, and I also just buffed it out using a paper towel. Depending on if the person you're making this mug for is left or right-handed, that will determine which side you would want to put the vinyl on. If you're keeping the permanent vinyl on the outside of the mug, you also want to make sure that it has plenty of time to cure, which typically takes 48 to 72 hours, and you do not want to get it wet during that time. After that, there's no need to seal it. It should be good to go. Found through experience that the embossing heat gun can actually help the vinyl to stick more securely onto the glass before I applied the Armoretch. So I would recommend, if you have that or a warm hair dryer, to help heat it. That way it helps get out all the bubbles and it gives a nice seal to the glass. My experience with Dollar Tree mugs is that it takes a little bit longer to etch than a normal glass. It is possible. I needed to actually put 2 different coats of Armoretch on it, along with extra time with constant motion using a paintbrush. I ultimately kept the Armoretch on for a total of 50 minutes and used the paintbrush in constant motion for 10 minutes. So be sure before you rinse it off that it actually has etched, and that you don't need to apply more coats before you take the vinyl off, or else it's going to be very difficult to get the vinyl placed the exact same spot.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.